Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson is going to be simple and for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, this is the perfect place to be. This is going to be step by step, and it's going to be short. I try to keep these around the 10-minute mark. All of these are fun, so let's get started and jump right into it.
Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us character with an afro. It's going to be real cute, simple, and, well, I guess they're pretty cute. But like the intro said, very step-by-step. I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker, and I'm going to be using this paper. If you're a big Among Us fan, you're going to love this, so let's jump into it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to curve over here. Just a slight curve right there, and the reason is it's going to be the top of the visor of the crewmate. And I'm going to curve over here now, all right? Just around this corner, so I'm going to do this, and I'm going to take this and do that healthy curve. It's going to be a bit shorter. Mirror that on this side over here. Curve over here. Alrighty. And I'm going to, well, I'm gonna leave the top of the head empty for now, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull a line straight down. I'm gonna have him facing this way. So I'm gonna pull a line from here straight down. And this goes along with the other crewmate stuff I've done. I would say about 50 tutorials, and they're all short, easy ones on different crewmates. So if you wanna go check that out at some point, go check that out. I'll put it at the end of the video, or I'll put it in the description. But the Among Us playlist basically will have every choice of a crewmate that you want. So go through there, scroll through there, and they're all simple. If you are into it like I would, definitely check that out after this. But stay around for now. Straight down here for the leg. So we got the stomach, and then, I mean, for the most part, it could be a straight line. Gonna go into the leg, curve back here, and then I'm gonna curve up. Gonna go here across. Go down, and I'm gonna curve back over here for this foot. Remember, this looks like a marshmallow to me, so we're gonna go over here and create another little marshmallow. All right, I'm gonna pull a line straight up. I'm not gonna touch this, but it's gonna just go straight up here for the back. So I'm gonna start over here. I'm gonna put like a dot there, and I'm gonna go from that dot all the way down here to the foot. And I can take my time with it. Doesn't have to be, you know, super hard or anything like that. I understand people have issues with straight lines. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw the curved afro over here. And that's kind of the big part of this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start on this side, and I'm going to stay with a curve, right? But I'm also, as I'm doing that, I'm going to put a little bubble shape into it like this. One second. Like that pattern, that texture, right? And so I'm gonna carry this texture right here all the way around. It's gonna stop here. See, I was doing that as that slight curve is gonna keep curving. Keep curving there, and it's gonna it's gonna stop right here at the front of the you know, the visor. All right, gonna go over here and give him a little bit of sideburn. Gonna pull down right here. See that? Like line out a little bit, pull away, and that could, I'm gonna curve. I'm gonna pull straight over here, and I'm gonna pull up. That could also have texture to it, but doesn't really have to. I'm gonna go into the actual hair right here, and I see that texture. I'm gonna pull it across a bit, not a lot, but right here. So boom, boom, maybe 1, 2 bumps, 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 bumps, 1, 2, 3, right there, maybe right here as well, 1, 2. So it's up to you how many bumps you want to put. You can throw another one back here, like 1, but maybe over here, 1, 2. So that is really up to you if you want to do that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like Among Us, if you like being able to draw very, very simple stuff. Very simple. I'm sorry, it could be complicated, but we're going to make it easy and always short. If you like that stuff, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. So when you click the bell notification, it's going to actually give you a thumbnail when I post, like on your feed. On your feed, you'll be scrolling, and you're like, oh, cool, I would love to draw that Among Us character. I would love to draw that Godzilla character, right? And that's kind of the purpose of that, you know, subscribing. So hit the subscribe when you can, and yeah. But it's like I said, if the stuff I do here is worth your time. So I'm gonna create, I started going into something, but I'm gonna pull back. I'm gonna go into the backpack. So the backpack's gonna go about his waist here, the bottom of his backpack, the oxygen backpack. And it's gonna pull out here and go straight up in his hair. That's what it is. So we're gonna go out here, curve a little bit at the bottom. Sorry, my hand's in the way. Go straight up. Right there. So now he's got a backpack. All right. Lastly, I'm going to draw a thicker line around the outside. Everywhere, I'm just going to draw a thicker line. And the reason I do that is because I think it looks more like a sticker, and it kind of makes it look cool, in my opinion. Right here. Over here. Just continue to do that. While I'm doing it, I'll talk to you. Hopefully you're having a great day. Everybody's been super nice to me. I've been doing this for 6 years. If anybody ever wants help, like to reach out and you're like, I don't understand this, I don't understand, write it in the comments, or you can go to the official website, which is brand new. I'm gonna put that up. I mean, it's a new name, really. It's called sketcheasy.com. Go to sketcheasy.com. I'm gonna start figuring out what I'm gonna put over there. This is like an early opening, I'll say, because I haven't fully started like advertising over here for it, but it is gonna be, I'm gonna put resources over there that'll help you guys out, maybe like worksheets or something like that. That's kind of the plan, but we'll see. That'll form in the next few months. I have something to do the next week. I have a friend here who's visiting San Diego. Well, I live in San Diego, but he's visiting, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show him around for a week. So I'm not gonna, I pre-made, I don't have extra time to post on that website yet, but you can go check out what I have there so far, sketcheasy.com. Yeah, so always fun to do that. I'm digging this guy's afro a lot, by the way. I'm really digging this. I think the thick line on the outside makes it look a lot better. That is it. Thank you so much. Stick around for the next video, okay? Stick around for the next one here, because the next one's really good. But yeah, like I said, follow along. I would say the best thing to do is watch 3 videos a day to practice. If you want to get better at like drawing Among Us characters, watch like 3, go to the playlist and watch 3 Among Us videos. And if you watch those 3 and do those 3 with the tutorial, with me, you're gonna get better at this stuff. So at least watch 1 more after this. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you and I'll see you in the next video.